everyone, welcome to today's review, and this is my coworker Rara. Say hello to everyone. Hi! And today he will with me to review the product. The feature today is the vibrant purple Redroad X18 cordless vacuum cleaner. It boasts the suction of 33 keypad cleanly to clean your floors efficiently. Let's see if it can live up to its reputation. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The package is very exquisite. Here is what we find inside. Here is the main vacuum cleaner unit. This is the floor brush with integrated independent high-speed model, large wheels for easy maneuvering, and the LED lights for dark areas. The 2-in-1 brush head for cleaning your keyboards, bookshelf, and more. The sofa cleaner for cleaning your sofa, mattresses, and other soft furniture. The power adapter. The sturdy metal extension tubes. The crevice tool for narrow areas like the sofa gaps and the window frames. The tool for hanging the vacuum cleaner. And a manual. These accessories cover almost all home cleaning scenarios, showing Redroad's preparedness for all home cleaning needs. Okay, let's assemble the X18 and examine its appearance. Wow, the purple-gray color scheme is very fashionable, with the bright purple parts being eye-catching and the gray parts being elegant, giving it a high-tech feel. The material feels very nice, which doesn't easily leave our fingerprint on it. A good news. And the whole package weighs about 2.35 kg, with the vacuum itself even much lighter, making it very easy to handle. The power switch and the suction adjustment buttons are intuitive with 5 modes: Eco, Mid, High, Max, and Auto. The X18 is equipped with a 1.6-liter dust cup, larger than other similar products. It uses the multi-stage filtration system, including a 12-cone cyclone filtration system and a HEPA filter. They can extend the life of the filtration system and preventing the secondary pollution. The HEPA filter is detachable and washable. The X18 is powered by 500-watt brushless motor named New Generation Micro Brushless Storm Motor with a suction power of 220 AW and 33 kPa. It comes with a 2000 mAh lithium battery, providing the following runtime. The X18 also features a dust recognition system. In auto mode, it can adjust its suction power according to different dust conditions, which is very useful for particularly dirty areas. Okay, next, let's test its maximum suction power. Should be sufficient for most households, unless you live in a very large home. Now let's evaluate the X18's performance on different home environments. We'll test its cleaning abilities on different surfaces and scenarios. Okay, let's start with the most common, hard floors. The X18 glides smoothly over these surfaces. The large wheels on the electric soft velvet floor brush make it the most effortless to push, and LED lights illuminate the path ahead, making it easy to spot usually overlooked corners. In mid mode, it easily handles daily dust for stubborn stains, switching to high mode does the trick. Okay, next is the carpet cleaning. On short pile carpets, the X18 performs excellently. Even in mid mode, it penetrates the carpet fibers and removes dust. Next, clean the sofa and other upholstery using the sofa brush. The sofa brush works impressively, removing dust and pet hair from leather sofas without leaving scratches. Clean the hard-to-reach corners and crevices. Use this crevice nozzle. The crevice nozzle proves its worth here, handling sofa gaps and window tracks efficiently. Use the 2-in-1 brush head for desktops and the electronic devices. The 2-in-1 brush head excels in handling delicate areas, easily cleaning keyboard gaps and monitor surfaces. It's also very effective on bookshelves and decorative items. The extendable metal tube makes cleaning curtains easy and effective. Okay, let's test the X18's handling of cat hair and litter. In max mode, the X18 easily picks up scattered cat litter and pet hair from carpets. The electric soft velvet floor brush is particularly good at picking up hair without tangling. The X18's maintenance is thoroughly designed. The dust cup features a one-button dust release design, preventing mess when emptying. The roller brush can be easily removed for cleaning, and the HEPA filter is washable. After a series of tests, X18 performs excellently in various scenarios. Its powerful suction and smart design can handle all the cleaning needs. Whether for daily cleaning or deep cleaning, it is up to its task. Its ease of use and flexibility can make the cleaning process very enjoyable. Overall, the X18 impresses with its strength, intelligence, multi-functionalities, and ease of maintenance. It meets various cleaning needs and excels in user experience and design detail. Its only drawback may be the short runtime in max mode, but considering its large capacity of cleaning, the short runtime may be acceptable. If you're looking for a high-performance, stylish, and easy-to-use cordless vacuum cleaner, the X18 is definitely worth considering. It can not only make your home clean and also make the cleaning process more enjoyable. That's it to today's video. Oh, do you like it? Rara, do you like the video? If you like, don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!